In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Wix website step by step. Whether you've accidentally deleted your site or just need to restore it from the trash, this guide will help you through the process. Let's dive in and get your website back up and running in no time. To start, make sure you're on the Wix.com homepage. Accessing your website's dashboard is the first critical step to recovering your site. On the homepage, and click on the Wix logo or simply type in the URL to easily navigate there. If you haven't already logged into your account, please do so with your credentials to proceed. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to find your site list. This list comprises all the websites you've worked on or currently manage under your account. Look for your site list option, which is typically visible on the sidebar of your dashboard. Clicking on this link directs you to the sites you've created or that are associated with your profile. Now, you should see an option that says Go to All Sites. This action will take you to a comprehensive view of all your projects. Click on Go to All Sites. This is a crucial step because it allows you to review and manage all the pages you're dealing with simultaneously, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Next, focus your attention on the sidebar where you'll find a link called Trash. This is where your deleted websites are stored temporarily. Clicking on Trash will show you a list of sites that have been removed but can still be recovered, assuming they haven't been permanently deleted. Once you're viewing the contents of your trash folder, it's time to choose the site you wish to restore. Browse through the list of websites in the trash to find the one you want to get back. Once identified, select the option that says Restore Site. Confirm your choice, and you'll be on your way to recovering your site. After selecting your site and clicking Restore, you'll see a Restore button appear. Click on it to finalize the restoration process. This step is pivotal as it moves your site back into the list of active websites, allowing you to edit and publish it anew. Remember, restoring your website is a straightforward process, but it's always important to regularly back up your work to avoid any potential data loss. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand how to recover your Wix website with ease. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below.